Hello and welcome back. It is 12:30. It is past midnight. We do have new candles open. We're going to do a market scan today. We're going to do the final market scan for the week. It is now Friday. We've crossed into Friday. Before I get into the video for today, I want to announce that if you like these types of videos, and if you want to be in a trading community, I do have a trading Discord linked in the description. Again, like I always say, nothing that is monetized, nothing is for sale. There are no courses, mentorships, affiliates, absolutely nothing. None of that prop trading, nothing. Isn't the videos aren't even monetized, you might have noticed. Unless you have YouTube Premium, which is dope. Listening to YouTube Premium or having YouTube Premium and listening to stuff when you're going to sleep is peak. Yeah. With that said, let's get to the analysis. Oh yeah, I need to check my mic. It's actually good today. Usually when I start recording, the mic resets. Let me check the OBS. Is my screen too small? No, it should be fine. So I haven't actually looked at Bloomberg myself today. Let me refresh to see what's going on. Trump says deal with Iran looking very good. I mean, ceasefire. Okay, it's the same stuff. He claimed, yeah, well, it doesn't really matter what he says. That we've seen in Trump's rhetoric that it has made things a lot harder for the market to price in, because he was promising a lot of things. Not to go to war with Iran, then guaranteed a war with Iran, then a 2-day war with Iran, then a 2-week war with Iran, then a 4-month war with Iran, and then no boots on the ground, and then a couple thousand, 3,000, 4,700, 16,000, and it's like, what the fuck is going on? And then he declares that, yeah, we've won the war. What? And it makes it really hard, and the market's like reacting to it. And I don't want to. This is not a political channel. Whether you like Trump, you think Iran is a threat to the world or not, or you think this is a completely meaningless war that helps absolutely no one, and it's just damaging, especially the United States, the country that's supposed to. Doesn't matter to me. I'm just telling you how the market reacts. But the ceasefire, the market is reacting well to that. However, it is taking up less and less space. Sorry, so it is already having the Ukraine effect, where people just don't care. People get tired about hearing about stuff, and believe it or not, that affects the markets. Like the Trump tariffs, when he came out with that billboard, it had the huge effect, and he was like, "Look, I'm tariffing the whole world. Fuck all you guys." The market just crashed. It didn't crash. It's a dumb term to use. The market dropped down. There's a good discount on SPY and went back up when he postponed, and then I think he completely removed all those tariffs. But then he silently, without the billboard, re-implemented all of them. So it was the same economical factor, but without the news component, without the scary part. And the market didn't care. So there is a huge component to how much things are blown up in the media, is what I'm trying to make out of it. Yeah, of course, futures are up for Brent. See if there's anything on. I'm looking for. Yeah. European Central Bank officials are leaning towards April rate hold. Yeah, we knew that. I want to look at this, but I don't have the. We could do some stuff with that, but I don't have the premium. I'm never gonna pay Bloomberg anything, bro. Fuck that. Average effective. Oh, it's just 10%. See, media fuck shit. I thought it was higher. So these trades that I posted yesterday, we're gonna go through all of it. We're also gonna have a look at SPY. SPY is at all-time highs. It is back on that nice, strong upward trend. As you can see here. So some of the dollar is continuing to go down. So it is within on trend, even though being historically very stable. As you can see, the dollar usually moves wild. But right now we're in one of these phases. One of them kingdoms, yeah? All right, so let's hop down to the 1 day time frame that we actually trade. Let me check the OBS because I'm kind of paranoid about the whole thing. Is it too small? A little bit bigger. I don't know. I got a new monitor and computer and the whole thing, so it's a bit paranoia inducing, huh? Hope you can empathize. All right, let's make it a little bit smaller. There we go. So this is a CR that triggered. I did post it in the Discord. I got triggered in myself. It did look more and more shit as it went on like that. As I explained in yesterday's video, when the momentum isn't a strong downward pull and it is more a slow lean, it isn't choosing direction in the way I want it to. Especially not when there's double indecision. When it consolidates like this, there isn't any strength in the movement. So any downtrend you see, if it continues like this, I mean, it isn't obviously isn't going to continue like this forever. So the likelihood of it turning up, continuing up to further highs is higher than on a trend that looks like this, or this, or this, or this. It's that simple. For the gold, yeah, just keep holding this, but remember, you pay swap now. If this goes back down, don't take a full loss on this. Move your sell loss. Get good. Consider going to BE. Here, this trade I was talking about where there was a potential BO forming, I am now seeing a nice CR that could potentially form. There's also the potential for a BO as well, so this one you're going to have to watch. I put it in a stop order for it myself. This CR candle looks very, very clean. The BO trade that I would recommend if you're going for BO, if you're looking at for those, you can do double entries as well easily because the SL on the BL would not touch. Yeah, I'm gonna do that actually. The BL on the the SL on the BL wouldn't touch the CR in any way because it would just be on support right below it. It would be the same very tight type of trade. All right, so as for the potentials we've had here, this one looks like absolute crap now. There's nothing here. And this one is looking like it could be entering a BO anytime. So keep an eye out for that one. We're going to quickly go through other pairs. We already have a ton though. 3 open trades. Potentially a 4th BO coming up. This one looks like it's going to be this one looks like it's going to be something either way. It's very, very interesting. All right. Let's hop through the pairs. I can see that we're going to have to, we're going to need a redraw. Bad. So technically that becomes the new area. That's valid because stick, hair, body, nearest area. Keep that in mind. It's not a continuation if you think that. And with these, body is more valid here. Our nearest close is on body. Yeah, we're gonna just need a redraw on that. I'm not gonna redraw in the paintings. No, sorry, I'm not gonna redraw during market scan. Interesting. Scroll through. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. We are gonna need a new level for this low to see what one. And here we go. I touched here as well. Double touched here. There's a continuation low here. Potentially, yeah, okay. So we're gonna look at both of those. See knock. No. And just be cross pairs. I wouldn't fuck with these right now. Right. So here we have a short continuation that has already formed. Yeah. You can go as low as the 8-hour change, like a CR on that. For this one, we have a short. It's looking like a BO if you imagine it like that, because this kind of closed here. You know, we have the stick body here. It breaking through would also be a very tight trade. We don't have new lows paying for it, but it could be very reasonable. And with inverted hammers like that, I do like the hammer for it as well. So that could be an interesting pair as well. So we do have quite a lot of interesting stuff, actually. Huh. Yeah, it's a sad night to go to sleep. You got all this stuff going on. Especially the BLs. I mean, the CIs you put in your orders, but the BLs you got to move. You got to be with them. You got to move. With that said, that's it for the analysis. If you liked the video, feel free to hop in the Discord. There was a lot of confusion going around about the Discord. Like, yo, what the fuck happened? I can't see anything. I can't join. Help, 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 help. When you join the server, you got to put in the application. It's for bots, and then there's a page. It says rules. You have to click this green thing here, bro, to get access. Like it says, click the check mark below to accept rules. Gain member access. Then unlock all server channels. Most people don't do that. But yeah, with that said, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. And I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to end it manually because it's a new keyboard. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.